Good morning everyone. Today we will study about some more algebraic identities. So see this next identity is a plus b plus c whole square. Square of the trinomial. There are three terms here, a plus b plus c whole square. It will be square of the first term plus square of the second term plus square of the third term plus twice the product of first two term 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. How we will apply this identity in the problem? See one example. 2x plus y plus 3z whole square. We have to expand it. So if we compare from this identity, we see that what is in place of a is 2x. What is in place of b is y. What is in place of c is 3z. So in the right side we will put in place of a 2x, in place of b y, in place of c 3z. So put here a is 2x, we will write 2x square, b is y, so y square, plus c is 3z, 3z whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into a is 2x, b is y, plus 2bc, 2 b is y, and c is 3z, plus 2ca, c is 3z, and a is 2x. So expansion is over. Now we will simplify it. So 2x whole square, it is 4x square plus y square, 3 square is 9, so we can write 9z square plus 2 into 2 4, x into y 4xy, plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6, y into z, yz, plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12 zx. So this is the final expansion of 2x plus y plus 3z whole square. Let us see one more example. Suppose x minus 2y minus 5z. We have to expand it. Again we will apply this identity. So what is a here? A is x. What is b here? B is not 2y. We have to take the value of b with sign minus 2y. And c is equal to minus 5z. Here in this identity we see that there is plus sign in between the terms. No minus sign is there. So we can also write it like this. X plus minus 2y plus minus 5z and then whole square. Now we can compare it. So what is x? X is a. What is b? B is minus 2y. And what is c? C is minus 5z. So make here positive, we will write in bracket minus 2y minus 5z. Or directly you can write a is x, b is minus 2y, c is equal to minus z. Means values of a, b and c we have to take with sign. And then put in the formula. Put in the right side. A is x, so right here, x square. B square, b is minus 2y, right here, minus 2y whole square. plus c is minus 5z, we will write here minus 5z whole square, plus 2 a is x and b is minus 2i, so minus 2i, plus 2bc, b is minus 2i into c is minus 5z plus 2ca. So c is minus 5z and a is x, 2ca. Now simplify it. X square plus minus square is always positive, so 2 square is 4 and y square plus again minus square is positive plus 5 square is 25, z square, multiply it, plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 4, x into y, xy. See here, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, again plus, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, y into z, yz, plus into minus, minus 2 into 5 10, z into x, 10 zx. This is the final answer. Firstly, we have to multiply the sign, after that numeral, then literal. So this is the expansion of x minus 2y minus 5z whole square using the identity a plus b plus c whole square. I think it is clear to you. Now we will see one more algebraic identities. Cube of the binomial. Cube of the binomial, identity number 5. A plus b whole cube. There are two terms here. First term is a, second term b, so it is called binomial, and power 3. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. How we will apply this identity in given problem? We will see it with the example. See this example. We have to expand 3x plus 2y whole cube. We will compare with this identity. What is in place of a? A is 3x. What is b? B is 2y. So values of a is 3x, b is 2y. We will put on the right side. So it is 3x whole square. B is 2y. Write 2y whole square. Not whole square, cube. It is cube, sorry. So a is 3x, we were 3x whole cube. B cube, b is 2y, 2y whole cube, plus 3. A is 3x multiplied, b is 2y, in bracket a plus b. So a is 3x and b is 2y. 3x plus 2y. Simplify it. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, it is 27. X cube, 2 cube, 2 cube is 8. Y cube plus multiply it. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18 xy in bracket 3x plus 2y. 27x cube plus 8y cube. We will open the bracket. 18 into 3, 54, xy into x, so x into x, x is square, into y, plus 18 into 2, 36, 18 into 2, xy into y, so it will be xy square. This is our answer. So it is the application of a plus b whole cube. This is the final answer. Now we will see one more identity. Identity number 6. A minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. We will see with one example. Three x minus 1 by 2x whole cube. So what is a here? Compare it. A is 3x. A is 3x. What is b here? B is 1 by 2x whole, it is b. B is equal to 1 by 2x. So right here. So a is 3x, b is 1 by 2x. Right side put a is 3x whole cube minus 1 by 2x whole cube minus 3. A is 3x multiplied by b is 1 by 2x in bracket a minus b. A is 3x, b is 1 by 2x, so 3x minus 1 by 2x. 3x whole cube, it is 27x cube minus 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 x cube minus 3 into x cancel with x, minus 3 into 3 9, 9 by 2, 3x minus 1 by 2x. 27x cube minus 1 by 8x cube minus, we will open it, multiply this bracket. So 9 into 3, numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator by denominator. 9 into 3, 27 by 2 x minus into minus plus 9 into 1, 9, 2 into 2, 4 into x. This is the final answer. This is the application of the identities a minus b whole cube. So value of a is 3x and b is 1 by 2x. These values of a and b we will put on the right side. After that we will simplify it to get the final answer. I hope that it is clear to you. If any doubt in this, you can write your suggestion in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Okay, thank you class.